Bonjour, mon ami. Do you want to become fluent in French, to speak Parisian French confidently, but you just don't find the time or don't find the person or the right person to practice with? I am Liane Stanfield, and you are watching French Minute with Liane, where you practice with me for just a few minutes every day for 24 days while I introduce you to my signature program, Joëlette Intensive, which helps you reach an advanced level of conversation. Today is day number 23 of 24, and these videos don't stay on Facebook, they expire. So if you'd like to have unlimited lifetime access to all the 24 videos, please click on the link in the description of this video and you'll find everything there. Not only are you going to find there 24 videos, today is going to be 23, but tomorrow are going to be 24 little, very short little short videos on that page, but you also will find a very chic $700 bonus that is available for you with a coupon, and only until tomorrow. Everything expires tomorrow is the day when everything ends. And so if you would like to make this year your bilingual year, then please check it out and practice for free until you see every single phase, every single step that you go through in the intensive program, so that you become more familiar and you know what you're choosing, if that is for you right now. So today is day 23, and it's going to be very short little sample from lesson 30 of level B. Level B is the intermediate level, and like I said, Joëlette Intensive brings you all the way up to the advanced level, which means level C. You get to touch level C, so tomorrow you will see where you will end up evolving in your French conversation by the end of the program. Also, just know that you have unlimited access to me and the program while as soon as you register, meaning you will never ever in your life have to look for any other resources, any other teachers, any you will never have to worry that you're not choosing the right thing for you. I'm always going to be your go-to person for anything that has to do with French. So now I'm going to give you the sentence that is introduced in this lesson 30 from level B. And you will be able to read here and follow what I'm saying. I'm going to read, translate, explain the phrase construction, and then I'm going to give you a little bit of a pronunciation, meaning I'm going to show you how to recognize the rules of pronunciation in this little sentence, so that hopefully I entice you to get curious about the rules of pronunciation, so that you never ever make any pronunciation and spelling error again. The pronunciation course is included in Joëlette Intensive. So let's go. Ils auront fini avant mon départ. Ils auront fini avant mon départ. They will have finished before my departure. So this is futur antérieur. Very important because we are using it in English a lot. And so how do you use it? It's a future. It's a past in the future. So mon départ will happen at a certain point in time, but their finishing of whatever something will be before. So it's in the past from the main action of my departure. So they will have finished before my departure. They will have finished, let's say, dinner before my departure, or something more interesting. That's That's where it is. Ils auront fini. So there is an auxiliary here, avoir. Also, the verbs that conjugate with être use the conjugate use as auxiliary être. The auxiliary is in the future, and then the past participle is used. Really simple and very sophisticated tense, if you ask me. Now, let me show you how the rules of pronunciation are reflected in the words from this sentence. Il. Here, this is an exception, in fact, because L should not be pronounced based on the rule of pronunciation. Exceptions typically are most commonly used words. So, and il is one of them. And so I want to show you how that is actually an exception. S is never pronounced at the end, but il, because S is just a plural, so if you take S away, you end up with il ending in L. L should not be pronounced based on the rules of pronunciation because it's ending consonant, but it is in this word as well as in the singular il. Auront. AU rule of pronunciation is pronounced O, and ON is pronounced nasal O, on, but that only when is followed by a consonant or nothing, or it's at the end of the word, because if it's a vowel, then it N is not nasal anymore. Fini, nothing special about this word rule of pronunciation wise. However, for all the Anglophones, you would have the tendency of pronouncing I instead of I. In French, we don't have I, and you have to be very careful not to flip between them. Very easy to do that for an Anglophone. Avant. A-N, it's nasal A. Again, because it's followed by a consonant, and if that would be at the end of the word without a consonant at the end, would be yeah, it is pronounced like a nasal. It's a nasalized A. And if it was a vowel afterwards, I was thinking right now about an example. If it comes to me, it doesn't, so I'm going to stay here. If it was a vowel afterwards, N would not be nasal. Mon, O-N, nasal O, same reason, because it's at the end of the word in this case, and so there's not a vowel afterwards. And départ, A is pronounced A, like in the word egg, because it has an accent, and R, well, it's pronounced R because it's normal to pronounce here, and it's a bigger discussion to explain why. But final T, as you notice, is silent. So everything is as per the rules of pronunciation. So thank you so much for watching this. Don't forget, you have $700 bonus waiting for you, and so waiting for you only until tomorrow. So please click on the link in the description of this video to see what this is all about. And this is going to help you make this year your bilingual year. And I know this is what you want the most if you're watching this video, of course. Stay on your game and keep going for your dreams to become bilingual. Learn to speak Parisian French and break your language barrier. Merci beaucoup et à demain. Au revoir.